Hey guys, today I'll show you how to disable sensitive content on your Facebook account. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, kindly tap the settings icon at the top right corner. Now scroll down to Content Preferences. As you can see, our settings was saved successfully and we will no longer see sensitive content on our feed. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.